Hi guys, this is the second part of the build tutorial. I'm starting with cutting off the wires with the correct length. Average, it is about 2 centimeters. Be sure not to cut less. Pre-solder the ESC to make an easy and clean connection. Here is soldered motor with the ESC. Measuring if it is all correct and screwing it to the arm. Make the same for the rest 3 arms. Connect the arms with the base frame plate. Take the PDB and check how it will be seated. Solder the battery connector, camera wires and VTX wires. Put it on the frame. Take your flight controller and make sure that the USB port is on the other side from battery connector. Solder the power wires of the ESCs to the PDB. This is the first motor, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Solder the ESC signal and ground wires by this order. Also solder to the 7th port of the flight controller the 5-volt power supply from the PDB. Then solder to the VCC pad the small power connector. On the other side, solder directly the buzzer. There is VTX connector in the back and camera connector at the front. Shrink apart the receiver, take off the case, unsolder the pins, and solder the connector to the S-bus pads. Connect the receiver to the UR2. Place the antenna connector on the top plate. Now, connect all the parts together. Be careful, always have the antenna connected when powering the quadcopter. Plug the battery. Change the ppm to the S-bus by double-clicking. Select the new model on your transmitter. In order to bind, press the button on the receiver when powering. Finally, assemble it all together. Okay, so Racer Star motors, Racer Star ESCs, on-way antenna, VTX, PDB with integrated OSD, flight controller, FPV camera, with flipped side plates, the buzzer, and the receiver. Like, subscribe, and wait for the next part of the build series.